Funky D, yeah, everybody. Welcome back to Funky D's News Time, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, you are all welcome once again. Yes, according to the news, Buhari aka Jubri don't come out again. Every time the man they come out from nowhere. I don't know who they write the scripts when that man they read sometimes. You know, make the man they tell and say, fear no, let them talk. Things, make those statements, some statement where they write before the scripts, because it gets some things when that man they call Buhari, they talk sometimes when they baffles Funky D. In fact, the thing when they surprise me and it be like earthquake when I listen to what Buhari they talk. You know, so today we're going to talk about the matter when concern this man and you know, some other stories. Now, Buhari aka Jubri come out again. Come they talk say him when be Buhari, when be the Jubri, when be the Sudanese. Say him go fit lift up 100 million Nigerian people out of poverty. Is that a joke? Is that a statement? Is that a statement? If they carry 100 million people come out, Buhari go fit count them when already Chief Wika don't tell us say this man not go school, this man not sabi right, this man not sabi read. In fact, any time when Buhari see waiting them right, Buhari go begin verse. So and the talk say in one lift out 100 million people from poverty. But in these last 4 years, what they don't do, even one person not come up for poverty. Poverty rate can be excessive in Nigeria. Everybody they cry. Companies, when we say foreign companies, when they Nigeria, all of them don't leave the country. Ladies and gentlemen, this one not be joking matter. This is fact, 100% fact. Companies, foreign companies, all of them don't run, leave Nigeria because nothing they work in that country where they call Obodo Nigeria. Now, Buhari now they come out now. I don't know which kind of propaganda is this. That's why they tell us see Buhari is a propaganding machine. All the Hokabas, they are all propaganding machines. Buhari, aka Jubri, is a propaganding engine, not only machine, even the engine. For him to come out to the talk, say he won't lift out 100 million people out of poverty. When we say since when him and APC become the president and ministers and governors in that country. That him democracy, they destroy our democracy rich ground. They destroy our democracy rich ground. They destroyed everything that have been in place before. They robbed us hands down. They looted us hands down. Now, he won't come out. Come the talk say from now to 10 years time, say he go lift out 100 million Nigerians out of poverty. Does that make sense, ladies and gentlemen? Is that not a propaganda, ladies and gentlemen? Is that not a mere propaganda? Okay. How Buhari go come and come the talk say from now to 10 years time? Meaning what? That 10 years time is something I want to emphasize on because Buhari, Jubri, the only mandate when he get now 4 years. And he never sure whether he go fit sit there in 2 years time because of the revolution that is coming. Because the revolution is 100% confirmed. The revolution is imminent. So he never fit know whether this in rain now whether it go rain past 2 years time. And they talk about 10 years time. 10 years meaning what? 10 years now your mandate when you get. Your mandate is just 4 years mandate. And that 4 years we are not sure. Now you talk about 10 years, meaning you want to veto the constitution to to be in office until 10 years time, or you are trying to say after you another APC man go enter, or are you trying to say you want to stay there until 10 years time? Ladies and gentlemen, this Buhari's word have to be taken serious. This 10 years thing Buhari is talking about, does it make sense? You now 4 years you get, you they talk about 10 years. Waiting they bring out that 10 years. We have to take this 10 years matter very serious. Very, very serious, because Buhari mandate now only 4 years. Why Buhari talk say he go lift out Nigerian people 100 million? When before his last 4 years, even a spoon they not feel lift out from poverty. Even nobody. Buhari not feel change anything for anybody in this their last 4 years. Now they are going to the 50 years. Now they are they are on their new tenure. Nobody come up for poverty. Everybody they cry. Every day economy don't sink down. Why Buhari go to talk say he go lift out Nigeria 100 million for that matter? Not even 1 million, 100 million. This one not be exaggeration, ladies and gentlemen. This one not be propaganda. This one not be propaganda. Say he go lift out 100 million people out of poverty. No president in the world, none of them don't lift out, even none. Not to talk of Buhari, aka and the impostor when they for Aso Rock. When they did, they dance up and down. They swag up and down like a young guy. Ladies and gentlemen, I go still put out another picture today. I go see how this man look like. Make una tell me, make una tell Funky D whether somebody from old age they jump go young age. I been a young age person they take go old age. Una go see the picture when make una take a look on that Jobri and that Buhari, whether not the same person. Una when they talk say not the same person. How Buhari go come out say he won't lift up 100 million Nigerian people when everybody they cry? This man not they listen to cry. This man not they hear say Nigerian people they verse. This man not they hear say Nigerian people they cry. This man not they feel their pain. This man not they feel their agony. The hunger when Nigerian people they feel, the man not they feel and say these people. The man not they even they listen say no one know whether people they cry. I not just understand. You know they hear voice of men say herdsmen don't kill everybody finish. You know they hear what in Boko Haram they do. I mean, you know they hear people they cry say hunger they everywhere already in the promission. I say hunger now the next 4 years level. But Funky D come wonder when this man come to talk about 10 years. I been at next 10 years level. We never understand. So this question will they ask Jubri now 4 years you won't stay there. I've been at 10 years because for you to come and they talk say in 10 years time say you go fit lift you an APC cabas APC rogues. So we don't understand the meaning of that 10 years when this man they talk. Now you say you sabi, you be general, you be military man, ex-military, everything, every name, Buhari, every good thing Buhari don't already attributed to himself. Buhari don't give him different kind of credits to himself. Now, insecurity matter where they talk now. The man don't come out now, come tell us say now some politicians when we see now them they cause the whole insecurity in the country. Alright? You feel me, ladies and gentlemen? Now, you when be aka Jubri, you know say na politicians be the problem. And you know them. And the military people know them. The police know them. Because when they talk say na the politicians, they cause all this, the politicians and the traditional rulers and the, you know, sorry. If not then they cause them. Why you know they arrest them when you don't already know now? You know now saying that the politicians that they cause this matter. Because now this thing they vex me for where this Jubri and the APC government they APC politicians, including PDP, because all of them be Wayo people. So now this one they confuse me because I know they get their the way where they take lie. I know they understand them. You say you know people when they cause insecurity, then arrest them. You know people when loot money under your cabinet members, ladies and gentlemen. Arrest them. You know somebody, you know saying that this Mr. A, now be the problem when we get in that country. Arrest that person. Uno they come complain to us. I don't ask una this thing before. Uno they come complain to ordinary the common citizen of the country. Waiting no one want make we do. Una know the problem. So if you know say na the politicians they cause the problem, you know say na this person, you know say na pastor, you know say na anybody when they cause the problem, arrest the person so that the problem will be solved. You know who they sponsor Boko Haram, according to Una, because the thing where they tell us, we say, now them, when be the APC and PDP and Nigerian politicians, when then they are so rock there, when then they Senate House, when then they where then they, now then they come and they tell us, say, now them, when be the politicians, now them they sponsor Boko Haram and Hesmin. So, Una know who they sponsor Boko Haram and Hesmin. Why not arrest these people? To end the mayhem, to end the bloodletting, to end the killing of innocent Nigerian people, to end the kidnapping, to end the rape of people's wife, or the raping of people's wife, to end the raping of people's children, to end the killing. So if una know these people, when una they tell us, see, now these people, now they put, because now una when we see this politician, now una they come they tell us, say, now this person and now this person. So why una not they arrest them, make una stop complaining, so that people will stop complaining, and una when be the politicians, una go stop complaining, and we when we say we be the freedom fighters, we go stop to the talk the matter. Since one una know say that these people be the problem, arrest those people without even coming to tell us. Then the thing we want here be say they don't arrest this governor, now they sponsor this the Boko Haram. Now those things we want here. No be so una go come, una go talk, una go go. Buhari go come, he go talk. That one, na mouth, they take the work. Na mouth, Jubri, they take the doing job. Na mouth, the APC people, they take the do their job. So, I don't tell una before, say, una no go fit deceive us again. And not when una go tell us again, when we go believe, when we go agree with una again. The time when we believe una don't pass. Not be now again. Nothing when una go bring come, because we don't already confirm 100% say una. Na una be liars. Una don't betray Nigerian people. Una don't sell Nigerian people. Una don't loot all our money. We know all these things. So we no go ever believe on una again. Even when una try to do the thing, we no go believe on una, because we know say everything when una they do na based on wuru wuru. Everything when una they do na based on wayo. So Jubri, you know say na politicians. Go after the politicians. When you know say that them be the problem in that country. You know say people corrupt. Now you sabi fight corruption. Start fighting corruption from your cabinet members. Start fighting corruption from your wife when be Aisha Buhari. Start fighting corruption from Tunubu. Start fighting corruption from Okpabio. Start fighting corruption from this man what they call R5, Abi R5. Corruption, start fighting it from Oshomule or say Banjo. That time we know say you don't start to fight the corruption. But for now, you never start. And you know you corrupt. You now number one corrupt man, because the time in 1983 when you did position, we know the kind of money when lost under you. Up to today, money continue to lose. Last time we don't hear say 1.3 trillion your family carry. They go buy the things what them buy. When the audio leak out, everybody can still see and say, you and your family, you won't be Jubri, you won't be Buhari, whatever you call yourself, you won't come from Sudan, whether na Sudan you come from, whether na Khartoum you come from, whether na Arab nation you come from, whether na Dubai you come from, we don't want to know again. Start fighting corruption from yourself. Buhari abi Jubri, you are never sincere to Nigerian people. Leave Nigerian people alone and go back to Sudan. Atiku Abubakar, leave Nigerian people alone. Nnamdi Kanu don't tell you say you be Cameroonian. He don't tell us, the whole world don't know. Even you know say you be Cameroonian. APC people don't tell you say you be Cameroonian. Make you leave Nigerian people alone. Jubri, go back to Sudan. Atiku Abubakar, go back to Cameroon. What is all this kind of nonsense? And now when be Nigerian people, when we see anything when they throw away give on an arm or they swallow the chop. May una continue to the swallow am, to the chop. This one at the time for una to change. Make una stop to the complain. Una won't be Nigerian people because una they contribute with these politician people, with these politicians to the deal with innocent Nigerian people. All of una, both the citizens, all of una, they contribute to the mess in that country. The youth of that Nigeria, the celebrities, the pastors, all of una, they contribute to the destruction of Nigeria. Most especially the pastors and the celebrities. Though they are all celebrities, they call themselves celebrities. The pastors and the celebrities, they are the ones contributing more to destroy that country. What they call Nigeria. Because the reason why we say the issue when Obasanjo raised concerning this Islamization, none of the pastors in that country, no one come out say, yes, this Islamization is real. The thing when Buhari they do, na bad thing, nobody come out. And they call themselves men of God. And they see some fools, some mumu Nigerian people, see they follow them up and down. And then when the pastors, they deceive them, they collect their money. Why, if you not be men of God, as Obasanjo talk that thing, and una know waiting day, why una not come out to speak? Not even one pastor talk about the matter. Make una know say, the Islamization is real. And they are working hand in hand with the pastors, with the prophets, with the people when they call themselves men of the devil. Gonna be the pastors and the prophets and the prophetess, all of them. Make una know say all their hand not clean. They are not to be trusted. Nobody. They just did there. People go carry money, go give them for church. And they say they be men of God. Men of what? Una no fit deceive anybody again. Una when be pastors, una when be politicians, all of una are the same thing. So, Jubri, you never be able to lift up even nobody since 4 years. I mean, your first tenure. You not fit lift up anybody from lift out anybody from poverty. Now you they come out they do propaganda. Who you want deceive? 100 million. Do you know what is called 100 million people when you want lift out from poverty? 100 million, ladies and gentlemen. Where that one they work? Even in America. 1 million, they know they feel lift out from. They know they lift out nobody from poverty. This is a game, ladies and gentlemen. This is lies. Politics is all about lies and deceit. Politics is all about deceiving the masses. So, when be Nigerian politicians, you when be AKA Jubri, you know feel lift out anybody from any poverty. I don't tell you, go back to where you come from. You are not a Nigerian. The whole world know. Ladies and gentlemen, so I go put out some pictures, make you know tell Funky D whether this person are the same person. You get? So, Jubri, go back to Sudan. You are not a Nigerian. Stop lying to yourself. Abakari, Mama Daura, make you leave Nigerian people alone. Una say una they do okay, look at what happened again, ladies and gentlemen. Then say then they for democracy. Now APC they open that their dirty mouth. They ask, including Jubri, they ask court made them throw away Atiku Abubakar case. Say Atiku Abubakar case not make any sense. Alright? And then when be APC, they say they win election. Una win election, why not the fear? Why not allow the tribunal to take to judge first, to make decision first, to decide based on the case? Why can't be saying now can they come out, they tell tribunal, made them discharge Atiku case, say in Atiku case not make sense. If una know say una win fair and credible election, free and fair election, why on can be saying now when be APC the first court to throw away on our opponent petition? And una say we dey for democracy. Where that democracy dey? Una never even smell democracy. This is dictatorial government. This is military dictatorial government, ladies and gentlemen. These people are people when we say them deceive us, put their military uniform, put on agbada to the deceive Nigerian people. Now them be these people now, once they into power, they are still military people. So now, how una go tell Atiku court made them throw away Atiku Abubakar? Say Atiku Abubakar failed to put Osebanjo's name inside their petition. So for that reason, because then say Buhari and Atiku Abubakar, according to the news, Buhari and Osebanjo run together. Why PDP failed to put Osebanjo's name in the petition? Why they failed to include Osebanjo's name in the petition? Because in with the Buhari run, and two of them they are the president of the country and the vice president of the country. Why they refuse to acknowledge Osebanjo? What sense does that make? Okay, then they talk saying Buhari and Osebanjo. No, now the same thing them be now. They knows then two of them are APC president and the vice president. The court knows that. So does that make sense for you guys to come out and ask court to annul Atiku Abubakar's petition? Well, though we know say na wuru wuru, then they do. At the end of the day, we will see here say court throw away Atiku Abubakar's petition. We will know say Atiku Abubakar go don't carry big money enter inside house. They deceive. They go put PDP gullible ones on high jump. Then the ones when they on top, all of them go share the money. Everybody go quiet. Because all of them now deceive themselves. So, if una know so una win election, APC, why una they ask court? Why una they beg court? Or why una they pray court to throw away Atiku's petition? If una know una win free and fair election. If una know una they talk say we dey for democracy, why una go they ask court to throw away the petition when Atiku Abubakar petition APC and Jubri say in non-win am for this 2019 election? We know Atiku Abubakar non-win because Atiku Abubakar rig heavily. Jubri kill and they rig heavily with the military and these people they call INEC people. Both of them not qualified to be Nigerian president. Both of them not get any right to become Nigerian president. Jubri being Nigerian president is a fraud to Nigerians. Jubri being Nigerian president is not accepted by Nigerians. Jubri not gets a primary school certificate, not to talk of secondary school certificate. So how come Jubri go be Nigerian president? No, Atiku Abubakar not be Nigerian man. How come Atiku Abubakar will come become Nigerian president? So make una stop to deceive una self. Because Funkidi say nothing when APC and PDP when they go do in that country, when go make Nigerian people happy again. They have destroyed the nation and the nation will continue till that revolution come. Because the only thing when go solve that problem is revolution and the division of the country. Revolution and the division of the country. Now that time Nigeria go begin make sense. Not be now, not be this PDP era, not be APC era, ladies and gentlemen. This message when from Kidi they send on today, I they send and give all of una. When be APC and PDP. You know say you be APC members. This message they go to you. If you know say you be PDP member, this message as well they go to you. And if you know say you be Nigerian person, make una stand up. This message as well they go to all of una. Make una stand up for the great revolution, because without revolution Nigeria will never be good. Nigeria will continue to go down. This guy, what they call Jubri, they come out, they tell us they won't lift out 100 million Nigerian people. When people they die, they suffer for hunger. When they don't talk, say our economy don't sink, everything don't sink down. Everything don't sink down. Ladies and gentlemen, now here, Funky D go stop. Now here, this segment go end. My message to Jubri be say, him, when be Buhari, when be Jubri, na propaganda machine. Na propaganda engine. So That is why when I say APC, the Kabas, all of them, the Fulani people, then they use them because they know say na propaganda machine. Say it go fit propaganda for them, propagate for them. Till today, now they propagate for them. The man not be Nigerian person, but now they sit as president. When Omar Gege they need down for a foreigner. So Funky D one. See na here, I go stop the matter. Peking when get here, make it here. I say, oh no fit deceive us again. Ladies and gentlemen, if you know so you never subscribe to Funky D before, note that subscription is free. Make you continue to subscribe. Whenever you come across Funky D's video, we're gonna begin to share Funky D's video. Share them all over the world. We not send them. As they not send us, we not send them message. These people, now why you people them be? Them be gangsters, ladies and gentlemen. Them be criminals, looters. I mean, the Nigerian politicians. Starting from AKA Jubri, all of them now rogues. You don't thief all our money, thief all our oil, thief all our gold. Come and come, they deceive us, say they won't do this, they won't do that. And we don't see anything whether they do. Common electricity, we not get. Road, we not get. Drainage, nothing. Everywhere polluted in that country where they call Obodo, Nigeria. So, ladies and gentlemen, I say if you never press that button when they there, press some. You get one best sign when they there. So anytime when Funky D1 upload, you go first get my video. Share my video. Share and scatter. Share and give all these people when we call their names here. Nothing they happen. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to watch out for that Buhari and the Jubri's photos. So I will see. Make una compare, do comparison. Make una see whether Jubri na Buhari or Buhari na Jubri. Or whether them from old age they go to young age. Una go see them today. One love everybody. I love you all. Thank you. Bye.